Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the stop loss on TradeLocker in 2026. So as you can see, currently I'm here on my TradeLocker account and I have currently opened the chart of XAUSD. But you can also just take a look at the instruments here in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can also search for any of the instruments by using this search bar, and you can also click on this all button and you can filter the charts out based on these instruments categories available here. Now as you can see over here on this particular chart, let's say I want to place a buy order. So as you can see, I've placed this order over here. So when you place your order, simply click on the option of positions and it is going to show you your currently running position. So since you want to add a stop loss here, simply click on the option of this pencil icon right next to it. Now over here we have the stop loss button available. So simply check this out and now you just have to enter the stop loss in the number. So let's say my stop loss is 4662, so I'm going to add it over here just like so, and now click on the option of confirm, and this way you will be able to set up your stop loss on TradeLocker. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.